We, the Yanomami people of the Amazon rainforest, tell this story about how the world was created. Long, long ago, there were two brothers who were the children of the Billy the Frog. Their names were Omao and Soali. Omao created the ancestors. He decided to use hardwood trees. Omao had great difficulty finding hardwood trees, so he asked his brother Soali to help. Soali was lazy. Instead of hardwood trees, he cut down softwood trees. When Omao returned, he was very angry. "I was going to make the humans from hardwood trees," he said. "Then they could live forever, just casting off their old skins. I was going to make the anacondas from the softwood trees, so that they would be weak and would die young." Omao was so angry, he made the people from the softwood trees, which is why people are weak and do not live forever. Then he made the anacondas from the tough bark of the hardwood trees, which is why anacondas shed their skin and live for a long time. Omao was still angry, so he left the world. Way down the river, he went to the bottom of the sky. It was night when the animals and people first appeared. Sunrise did not come. The great castle bird cried out all night, and dawn did not come. The ancestors realized that it was the castle bird which stopped the dawn, so they shot the bird with arrows. The feathers of the bird fell off and changed into all the birds that now live in the forest.
But now the rainforest is in danger. People from the cities are coming and destroying the forest, killing the animals and poisoning the rivers. They are chopping down the trees. They are mining for metals. They are clearing the rainforest and farms with fire. They are flooding the land to make dams. The animals are dying. They are home. The forest is destroyed. people are dying of diseases. Our river water is poisoned. Even the piranhas and alligators are dying. But we can live in harmony with the rainforest. Our rainforest plants can provide medicine and food for people all over the world. You can help save the rainforest that is left by buying rainforest products which are collected without harming the plants and animals like rubber and Brazil nuts. Buy only timber which is grown where new trees will be planted. This is sustainability. Support the rights of rainforest people. Tell other people to help. Save